Hi and welcome to Cycle Maintenance Academy. My name is Arek and in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace a gear cable on a non-branded grip shifters. Okay, let's begin. Tools required: 2.5mm Allen key. Removing the gear cable. Turn the gear lever on the left side to the lowest number, gear number 1, and the one on the right side to the highest number, highest gear. Detach the gear cable from the derailleur and remove it from the gear outer. Slide out the handlebar grip. Use a 2.5mm Allen key to loosen the clamp bolt and remove the shifter from the handlebar. While holding the shifter body in one hand, grasp the grip and pull it out of the shifter body. Be aware that the spring may fall out at this point. Remove the sleeve from the grip. Remove the cable cover. Slide the cable drum out of the shifter body and remove the cable. Fitting the new cable. If the shifter spring fell off while removing the cable drum, you'll need to reassemble it before proceeding. The two ends of the spring are asymmetrically bent, with one end curving more than the other, creating a hook. Insert the end with less curvature into the slot on a cable drum. Place the cable drum onto the shifter body so that the cable hole is at the top, but hold off pushing it all the way in. Thread the new cable through the hole in the cable drum. Notice the grooves on the shifter's body. Position the cable drum so that the hooked end of the spring aligns with the rightmost groove. Guide the cable through the barrel adjuster. Reattach the cable cover by sliding the protruding pad at the bottom into the small hole on the shifter body. Reinstall the grip by aligning the tab on the grip with the indicator on the shifter body. Insert the sleeve into the grip until you hear a click. Refit the shifter and tighten the clamp bolt. Insert the handlebar grip. And that's it! You have successfully replaced the gear cable on a non-branded twist shifter. Thanks for staying with me all the way to the end, and don't forget to let me know in the comments below how you got on replacing a gear cable on your twist shifter. If you want to support the channel, then as always please subscribe, like the video and share it with your friends. And if you want to support me even further, then consider a small donation through the Super Thanks button below the video. Thanks very much, and see you soon!